Good day, kids. Welcome to Grade 4 online class. We are now in week 4. Our first lesson for this week is all about changing improper fractions to mixed numbers and vice versa. But before we start our new lesson, what is the topic that we have discussed last meeting? Very good, kids. It's all about solving word problems involving GCF and LCM. What is GCF? Very good. Greatest common factor. How about LCM? Great job, kids. Least common multiple. There are three ways in finding the GCF and LCM of the two numbers. The first one is the listing method. The second one is the three-factor method. And the third one is the continuous division. Very good, kids. Let's read our word problem for today. Beng will serve 9/4 bibingka to her friends. How many whole bibingka in fractional part of a bibingka does she have? Notice that there are two whole bibingka in 1/4 of a bibingka. You need to change 9/4 to a mixed number. How are we going to change 9/4 to a mixed number? Study the solution below. Okay, so 9/4, we're going to divide numerator to denominator. Okay, so 9 divided by 4. 9 divided by 4 is equal to 2. 2 times 4 is equal to 8. And then, subtraction. 9 minus 8 is equal to 1. Express the remainder as a fraction. Or, we can use this 1. Okay, get this 2. Okay, this 2 will serve as the whole number, and 1 or the remainder will serve as the numerator, and the number here will serve as the denominator. Okay, we can also use that. Okay, so the answer is 2 and 1/4. Okay, so that's the answer for our word problem for today. How about changing a mixed number to an improper fraction? It's so simple, kids. Just multiply the denominator to the whole number and then add the numerator. For example, 3 and 2/5. Okay, so 3 and 2/5. Just multiply the denominator to the whole number, 5 times 3, and then add the numerator. Here is the numerator, and then copy the denominator. Okay, so 5 times 3 is equal to 15. Very good, kids. And then add the numerator. 15 plus 2 is equal to 17. And then copy the denominator. So the answer is 17/5. So that is the way in changing mixed number to a proper fraction. Again, just multiply the denominator to the whole number and then add the numerator. Okay, so simple, kids. So simple, right? Our second lesson is all about changing fractions to lowest terms. Let's read the word problem. Neil is helping Edward clean the backyard. They spend 2 hours doing this every Saturday morning. What part of the day do they spend cleaning the backyard? Express your answer in lowest term. How will you solve the problem? Think 2 hours out of 24 hours. Why 24 hours? Because one day is equivalent to 24 hours. In fraction, it is written as 2 and 24. To change 2 and 24 to its lowest term, you do this. The divisor 2 is the greatest common factor of 2 and 24. In changing fractions into lowest terms, we have to find the GCF. How are we going to find the GCF? There are three ways. The first one is the listing method. The second one is the three-factor method. And the third one is the continuous division. Okay, so 2 and 24, their GCF is 2. That's why their divisor is 2. Okay, so 2 divided by 2 is equal to 1. 24 divided by 2 is equal to 12. So that means Neil and Edward spend 1/12 of the day cleaning the backyard. A fraction is in its lowest term if the numerator and denominator have no other common factor except 1. Both 1/12 and 2/24 are equivalent fractions. Equivalent fractions are fractions with the same size. So again, how are we going to change the fractions in lowest term? Just find the GCF and then divide. Okay, find the GCF and then divide. That is the lowest term of the fraction. Okay, so did you get it, kids? It's so simple, right? To assess our lesson for today, do these activities. Learning task number 1. Directions. Write the following as improper fractions or whole number. Number 1. 3 and 4 fifths. Number 2. 5 and 3 sevenths. 3. 4 and 4 sevenths. 4. 8 thirds. 5. 39th. And then learning task number 2. Directions. Reduce each fraction to its lowest term. Number 1. 15 25th. Number 2. 12 16th. Number 3, 6 12th. Number 4, 10 35th. Number 5, 8 40th. And learning task number 3. It will also serve as the performance task of online asynchronous class. Directions. Read each problem, then solve. Number 1. Every Saturday, Mother and Claire go to the market. On each marketing day, they spend 3 hours including the travel time. What fraction of the day is used in marketing every Saturday? Express your answer in lowest term. Number 2. Century is what part of the millennium? Express your answer in lowest term. After answering the activities, do not forget to wash your hands and use alcohol. And that's all for today, class. See you again. Bye!